Hey everybody, in this video series, I'm going through every free widget in the Elementor theme and page builder. I believe Elementor is the best page builder on the market, and I use it in my full-time job and in my freelancing. If you want to download Elementor, free or paid, visit the link in the description of this video. It is an affiliate link, so I do get a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to buy Elementor from my link, thank you for supporting the channel. Then make sure to come back here to learn more about Elementor, Divi, and other web design tools on this YouTube channel. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. In this video, we're doing a deep dive on all of the possibilities with the SoundCloud widget in the free version of Elementor. SoundCloud is a platform where musicians can post their music for all to listen to, and Elementor was kind enough to make a widget just for those of us who use it. To get started, I'll go to this left sidebar and type in sound for the SoundCloud widget to come up. Then I'll click and drag this into our content area, and I'll see that there is already a song in here. But I'm actually going to use one of my friend's songs, Joe Gallagher. He makes great music, and you can find him right here at Joe Gallagher on SoundCloud. I'll just copy this URL and then go back to my page. And right in this link section, I will just get rid of this and add in Joe's link. Now, there are a couple options here. So I can make this a visual player so the artboard goes behind the music, but I don't like this look as much, and we don't have as many options, so I'm going to press no on that. Now I'm going to go through what all of these options do. First, we have an autoplay option, so the song will just start playing when a user hits the screen. But we'll turn that off so users can make a choice if they want to listen to the music. We can show or hide the buy button. Joe doesn't have a buy button. This music is free to download, at least at the making of this video. So you can hide that buy button if it existed. We can also hide or show the like button, but it doesn't seem like that is here either. And the download button as well, we can hide or show that. We can also hide or show the artwork, but I like to see it. And then we can hide or show this share button right here. So right now it's showing, or we can hide it. And then sometimes there are comments right here, but Joe doesn't have any comments yet, but we can show these comments or hide those comments as well. You can see that this music has been played over 800 times, but we can hide that number if you're just getting started and you don't have that many plays. Of course, we want to show that Joe Gallagher made this music, so we are showing our username, but for some reason, if you don't want to show it, then you can just hide that username. Then if we want this controls to match our brand a little bit more, then we can change the color of this play button to be whatever we'd like. So now it's this blue, we can change it to a green if we'd like. And then we can just enjoy some of this music. And if you want to hear more from Joe, Joe's SoundCloud link is in the description of this video, so make sure you check it out and download his music. This is how you can use the SoundCloud widget on your website. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. If you want to learn more about Elementor, click the links in the description, and you'll also love this custom playlist I've put together just for you that puts together all of the videos in this series, each one taking a deep dive on each free widget in Elementor. Thanks for watching.